hiding oh so grand. G is for giant squid, deep in the sea. H is for hermit crab, hiding cleverly. Swim, swim, swim through the ocean wide. Let's learn about sea animals side by side. Sing, sing, sing as we learn and play. Discover the sea every day. I is for isopod,
crawling down below.
J is for jellyfish with a gentle glow. K is for krill, tiny but so neat. L is for lobster, snapping claws to eat. Swim, swim, swim through the ocean wide. Let's learn about sea animals side by side. Sing, sing, sing as we learn and play. Discover the sea every day. M is for manatee, floating slow and round. N is for narwhal, where icy waters are found. O is for octopus, with arms that twist and play. P is for penguin, waddling on its way. Swim, swim, swim through the ocean wide. Let's learn about sea animals side by side. Sing, sing, sing as we learn and play. Discover the sea every day. Q is for quahog, hiding in the sand. R is for ray, gliding like a fan. S is for seahorse, curling its tail so tight. T is for turtle, swimming day and night. Swim, swim, swim through the ocean wide. Let's learn about sea animals side by side. Sing, sing, sing as we learn and play. Discover the sea every day. U is for urchin, spiky and round. V is for viperfish, in the dark it's found. W is for whale shark, gentle and so grand. X is for x-ray fish, glowing as it stands. Y is for yellow tang, bright as sunshine. Z is for zebra shark, with stripes so fine. From A to Z, we've learned so much today. The ocean's full of wonders in every way. Swim, swim, swim through the ocean wide. Let's learn about sea animals side by side. Sing, sing, sing as we learn and play. Discover the sea every day. Is alligators, Winston's a baby. B is bison, grazing by the tree. C is cougar, leaping with pride. D is deer, in the forest they hide. Sing along, A and C. Animals are fun to see. From the land, air, and the sea. Let's explore, you and me. Eagle, soaring so high. F is fox, quick and sly. G is gazelle, running with grace. H is hedgehog, in its safe place. Sing along, A and Z. Animals are fun to see. From the land, air, and the sea. Let's explore, you and me. I is Indian fur, tortoise rolling slow. J is jellyfish with a soft glow. K is kangaroo, hopping with cheer. O is lemur, playful and near. Sing along, A to Z. Animals are fun to see. From the land, and the sea. Let's explore, you and me. N is meerkat, standing so tall. N is nuku, crawling by the wall. O is ostrich, running on land. Poo is panda, munching bamboo so grand. Sing along, A to Z. Animals are fun to see. From the land, and the sea. Let's explore, C. T is taper, under the tall tree. Sing along, A to Z, A to Z. Animals are fun to see, from the land, and the sea, Let's explore, you and me, U is urchin, hiding in the tide. V's the Q, know where the mountains reside. W is weasel, sneaky and quick. X is Urus with a furry flick. Y is yellow hammer, chirping so sweet. 6 is Zorilla with the stripes so neat. Sing along, A to Z, A to Z. Animals are fun to see, from the land, and the sea, Let's explore, you and me. It's triangular flags flashing bright. B is your plastic hands clear but bright. C is for car zooming down the street. D is for dump truck carrying rocks so neat. Drive, let's go and play. So many vehicles to learn today. Zoom, sing along with me. A to Z vehicles, come and see. E is for excavator, digging up the ground. F is for fire truck, its siren makes a sound. G is for garbage truck, keeping streets clean. H is for helicopter, flying up so keen. Drive, let's go and play. So many vehicles to learn today. Zoom, sing along with me. A to Z vehicles, come and see. I is for ice cream truck, bringing us delight. J is for jet, soaring through the sky at night. K is for kayak, paddling in the stream. L is for locomotive, a train engine of steam. Drive, let's go and play. So many vehicles to learn today. Zoom, sing along with me. A to Z vehicles, come and see. M is for motorcycle, with a roaring sound. N is for narrow boat, floating safe and sound.